How to set up Google Ads in 2 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Google Ads in just 2 minutes. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open your ads.google.com, and here you can see you have an option to start now and you have an option to sign in. So first of all, just click on this option which says start now. So basically ads help a lot to grow your business, and it basically helps you to represent yourself on Google like this, on adexamplebusiness.com. like this is going to represent your business like that on Google Ads whenever a person searches for something, and it is going to be very easy to for people to reach out to your business. So it is very important that you add something like that to your business if you have one on Google. So how you can basically add an ad, I'm just going to show you a quick process. So if you have a salon, if you have a business, like you can add your website right here or your business profile that is on your Google. You can just select any of these options, click on next. So this was the business profile that I have. Thanks, people come here after they click your ad. Okay, so this is going to be the mobile version, this is going to be the desktop version. Just go on and view both, and after you are done with that, just go down and click on next. Okay, so what's your main advertising goal? Get more calls, get more website or sales, get more visits to a physical location, or get more views and engagement on YouTube. So I have right now a physical store, so I'm just gonna say that get more visits to my physical location, or let's say get more calls. Just very simple, because I have provided only a phone number to my store. So I'm just gonna go and next. Now it's time to write your ad. Now you need to write your ad. For example, you add 3 headlines or more will help you add performance, like welcome to my business, I'm going to provide this options, like, and then you can add 3 headlines. Then you have to add different descriptions. You can add descriptions about your business, like this is my business, this is what I do and how I'm going to do it and everything, and engage your customers in basically calling your business or to reaching out to your business. After you have done everything, just click on this next option and your new campaign will be created, and you'll be able to, and your ad preview, you can just see your ad preview here. Then you can just publish this ad and you'll be able to get into your Google Ads campaign. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.